If you go to a gym, your trainer will definitely make you do some squats and do it right. You can increase the intensity of your workout session by adding squatting exercises. Although it may seem difficult initially and require mastering the technique, it is easy to learn and can be done anywhere and without using any equipment. Squats are not just for specific muscles but help in the growth of overall muscles. It is often considered as a leg exercise, but it is beneficial for your entire body. Fitness experts recommend the squat as the one exercise people should do every day if they had no time for anything else. The most obvious benefit of squats is building your leg muscles, quadriceps, hamstrings, and calves. These drills also create an anabolic environment, which promotes body-wide muscle building, improving muscle mass. Squats, and all of their variations, are a great exercise for the whole body. This is a good move if you want to burn fat. The squats also activate your glutes and back muscles. Remember to upgrade them as soon as they start to feel comfortable. Do jump squats, goblet squats, pistol squats or plie squats. Squats are many people's favorite exercise for building muscle. They are always recommended to people who want to stay fit as they get older. If you are new to working out, start easy and use a chair for support if you need. Keep your arms in front of you. Don't extend your knees past your toes. Stay in this position for a few seconds. Do this for a minute and don't rush. When performed properly, the load applied to the squat is great for not only building muscle strength but also engaging the ankle, knee and hip joints all at the same time and making them stronger. How often do you have to lift something or get up from a seated position? Every day. People who squat are stronger in their activities of daily living and are more likely to stay mobile later into life. If you are cross-training, and you should be, squats are a perfect powerhouse. Almost all cardio and sports involve the lower body. By having a more powerful system, you can run and play longer, harder and faster. It's great to do them with weight, but you can do bodyweight squats anywhere, anytime, so you can stay in shape at home or on vacation. There are endless variations of squats and ways to keep you challenged, the only limit is your imagination. 1. Squats can help with strengthening the core. 2. Builds muscles. Squatting exercise helps muscle growth throughout the body and not just the legs. This intense exercise promotes production of hormones essential for muscle growth and creates an anabolic environment. Squats improve lower and upper body strength. 3. Shapes your butt and abs. Want a bigger butt? Do squats. It engages many muscles and is a great multi-purpose exercise. Squats will make your butt firmer and bigger without putting pressure on the back. It will also tighten and tone your abs and legs. Doing squats will help you to build muscles and regulate glucose. 4. Burns fat. Squats will help you to burn fat faster. Your body burns 50 to 670 calories more for every pound of muscle you gain. So, when you gain muscles doing squats, you burn more fat. Squatting exercise is one of the best ways to burn more calories. 5. Prevents injuries. Squats strengthen ligaments and stabilizer muscles, which are responsible for most of the athletic injuries. Doing squats will improve balance and flexibility and prevent possible injuries. 6. Improves balance and mobility. As you get older, having strong legs becomes important for balance and to stay mobile. Squats will help in improving the strength of your legs. Squats will also work your stabilizing muscles and core, improving the link between your brain and the muscles. This will help in preventing falls and maintaining balance. 7. Tones leg muscles. Squats use every leg muscle and will primarily tone your lower body. They will help in improving the strength of your calves, hamstrings and quadriceps along with other muscles to improve your balance. It is also the best exercise to tone your legs. 8. Improves digestion. Squatting improves the flow of body fluids and aids in the removal of waste from the body. It improves the bowel movement and help in keeping it regular. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And for more interesting videos, subscribe to the channel.